Imagine waking up one morning and realizing your body feels heavy, tired, bloated, and just not right, like something inside is slowing you down without you even noticing. What if I told you that one of the biggest reasons for that feeling might be hidden toxins silently building up inside your kidneys? Yes, your kidneys, those tiny but powerful organs, working 24/7 to filter your blood, remove waste, balance fluids, and keep your entire body running smoothly. Now, here is something shocking. Many people are damaging their kidney health without even knowing it, simply because of modern diets, stress, dehydration, and processed foods. But today, I am going to reveal the number one vegetable that can naturally help cleanse your kidneys, flush out toxins fast, improve urine flow, and support overall body detoxification. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to use this vegetable in your daily life to protect one of the most important organs in your body. Before we talk about this amazing vegetable, let me explain why kidney health is so important. Your kidneys are like the body's natural filtration system. Every single day, they filter around 150 liters of blood, removing toxins, excess salts, and waste products through urine. If your kidneys become overloaded, toxins can start building up in your blood, leading to fatigue, swelling in your legs, and face poor concentration, skin problems, and even long-term health risks. Many people don't realize that kidney problems often develop slowly over time, with symptoms appearing only when damage is already happening. That is why natural kidney support is so important. Prevention is always better than cure, especially when it comes to internal organ health. Now, let's talk about the biggest enemy of kidney health. One major problem is dehydration. When you don't drink enough water, your kidneys have to work harder to remove toxins. Another problem is high sodium intake. Too much salt can increase blood pressure and put stress on kidney tissues. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive caffeine can also affect kidney function over time. That's why nature has provided us with foods that help protect and cleanse our body naturally. And among all these foods, there is one vegetable that stands out as a powerful kidney cleanser. The number one vegetable for natural kidney cleansing is cucumber. Yes, simple cucumber is one of the most powerful natural detox foods available to us. Cucumber is made up of more than 90% water, which means it helps keep your body hydrated while supporting kidney filtration processes. When you eat cucumber regularly, it helps increase urine production, which helps flush out toxins and reduce the risk of kidney stone formation. Kidney stones often develop when minerals and waste products crystallize inside the urinary system, but proper hydration, combined with natural diuretic foods like cucumber, can help prevent this problem. Cucumber is also rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect kidney cells from oxidative stress caused by pollution, unhealthy diets, and environmental toxins. When your kidney cells are protected, they function more efficiently. Another amazing benefit of cucumber is its ability to reduce inflammation inside the body. Chronic inflammation can damage kidney tissues over time, so eating anti-inflammatory foods is extremely important for long-term kidney health. But how should you actually use cucumber for kidney cleansing? The best way is to eat fresh cucumber slices every morning on an empty stomach. You can also add cucumber to your salads, smoothies, or detox water. One powerful detox recipe is to slice one cucumber, add it to a jug of water with some lemon slices, and drink this water throughout the day. This helps support kidney detoxification naturally without using any chemical supplements. Now let me share something very important. Kidney cleansing is not about quick fixes or extreme detox diets. Your body needs consistent, long-term support. That is why you should combine cucumber consumption with healthy lifestyle habits. Drink enough water daily, try to reduce processed food intake, limit excessive salt consumption. Move your body regularly because exercise improves blood circulation, which helps your kidneys function better. Even simple walking for 30 minutes daily can improve overall organ health. Another amazing benefit of cucumber is its potassium content. Potassium helps balance sodium levels in the body. When sodium levels are balanced, blood pressure stays more stable, which reduces stress on kidney blood vessels. Many people who suffer from high blood pressure are at higher risk of kidney disease, so maintaining proper mineral balance is extremely important. Now let's talk about warning signs that your kidneys might need more attention. If you notice swelling in your ankles, frequent urination at night, changes in urine color, persistent fatigue, or unexplained back pain near your lower ribs, you should take these signs seriously. These symptoms do not always mean serious kidney disease, but they are your body's way of telling you to improve your health habits immediately. You might be wondering, can just one vegetable really make a difference? The answer is yes, but only if you combine it with a healthy lifestyle. Nature works best when we use it consistently. Many ancient health practices focused on using natural foods to maintain internal organ balance. Modern science also supports the idea that plant-based hydration foods help reduce kidney strain. Let me also share a simple 7-day kidney health routine you can follow. Start your morning with a glass of warm water, then eat a few slices of cucumber. During the day, drink enough clean water. Try to avoid too much tea or coffee on an empty stomach. In the evening, eat light meals instead of heavy fried foods. This simple routine can help your body naturally remove toxins and improve energy levels. Another powerful tip is combining cucumber with other kidney-friendly foods. Foods like watermelon, leafy greens, and citrus fruits can further enhance detox effects. Watermelon is especially good because it contains natural diuretic properties, helping increase urine flow and reduce toxin buildup. Citrus fruits help improve kidney stone prevention because they contain natural compounds that help break down mineral deposits. Let's also talk about what you should avoid if you want healthy kidneys. Try to reduce soft drinks because they contain high sugar and phosphoric acid, which can stress kidney function. Avoid excessive painkiller use unless prescribed by a doctor. Many people don't realize that overuse of certain medications can slowly damage kidney tissues over time. Stress is another hidden factor affecting kidney health. When you are stressed, your body releases stress hormones that can increase blood pressure and affect kidney filtration efficiency. That is why relaxation, deep breathing, and proper sleep are also important for detoxification and overall health. Sleep is actually a powerful natural detox process. During sleep, your body repairs cells, removes waste products from brain tissues, and supports organ recovery. Try to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night for optimal kidney and body health. Now I want to share one powerful secret most people don't talk about. Natural detoxification is not just about eating healthy foods. It is about building a healthy lifestyle system. Think of your body like a high-performance machine. You must give it clean fuel, proper maintenance, and regular rest. When you do this, your kidneys, liver, and other organs will work together to keep you healthy. If you want maximum kidney cleansing benefits, you can try cucumber juice. Blend one fresh cucumber with a little water and drink it fresh. Do not add too much sugar. Natural taste is always better for detox purposes. Remember, kidney health is something you should start taking seriously today, not tomorrow. Many people only start thinking about their kidneys when problems already develop, but you have the advantage of knowledge right now. You can start protecting your kidneys naturally starting today with simple changes. Before I end this video, I want to remind you that health is not about perfection, it is about consistency. You don't need extreme diets or expensive supplements to support your kidney health. Sometimes the simplest natural foods can give the best results. One simple vegetable, like cucumber, can play a powerful role in supporting your body's natural detox system. If you found this information helpful, make sure to follow this channel for more natural health tips. Share this video with someone who might need it because kidney health is something everyone should care about. And most importantly, start taking action today. Drink more water, eat more natural foods, and listen to your body. Your kidneys are working hard for you every second. So it is time to return the favor by taking care of them naturally. Stay healthy, stay strong, and I will see you in the next video with more powerful health secrets. Your kidneys are among the most vital organs in your body, working silently every single second, to keep you alive and healthy. They act as your body's natural filtration system, continuously cleaning your blood by removing harmful toxins, metabolic waste products, excess salts, and extra fluids through urine. Every day, your kidneys filter a huge amount of blood, helping maintain proper chemical balance inside your body. When kidney function starts weakening due to poor lifestyle habits, toxins begin to accumulate inside the bloodstream, which can slowly affect energy levels, brain function, skin health, and overall physical performance. In modern times, kidney health problems are becoming more common because people are consuming more processed foods, sugary drinks, excessive caffeine, and high-sodium meals. These foods can increase pressure on kidney tissues and reduce their ability to function efficiently over time. Dehydration is another major threat to kidney health because water is essential for helping kidneys flush out toxins through urine. When you do not drink enough water, urine becomes concentrated, which increases the risk of kidney stone formation and urinary tract complications. Stress is also an often overlooked factor that can negatively impact kidney health because chronic stress can increase blood pressure and interfere with natural hormonal balance in the body. High blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney damage worldwide because it puts constant pressure on delicate kidney blood vessels, reducing their efficiency over time. That is why maintaining healthy blood pressure levels is extremely important for protecting kidney function. Another major risk factor is excessive use of painkiller medications without medical supervision because certain medications can gradually damage kidney tissues if taken regularly over long periods. Many people do not realize that kidney damage develops slowly and often does not show clear symptoms. In the early stages, symptoms like mild fatigue, occasional swelling in the feet, changes in urine color, or frequent nighttime urination should never be ignored because they can be early warning signs that your body needs better detox support. Natural kidney protection focuses on prevention rather than treatment because once kidney disease becomes severe, it can become very difficult to reverse. That is why lifestyle changes play a major role in maintaining kidney health. Drinking enough clean water daily, reducing salt consumption, eating more natural vegetables and fruits, avoiding excessive alcohol and smoking, and maintaining regular physical activity can significantly improve kidney performance. Exercise is especially helpful because it improves blood circulation, helps control body weight, and reduces stress hormones that may affect organ function. Even simple activities like walking daily can help improve overall kidney health. Sleep is another important factor because during sleep, the body repairs damaged cells and removes metabolic waste from the brain and tissues, helping organs recover naturally. When you prioritize natural kidney care through proper nutrition, hydration, stress management, and healthy lifestyle habits, you give your body the best chance to maintain strong kidney function throughout life. Cucumber is widely considered one of the most powerful natural vegetables for supporting kidney health and promoting natural detoxification because of its high water content and nutrient composition. More than 90% of cucumber is made up of water, which makes it extremely effective for keeping the body hydrated and supporting proper kidney filtration processes. Hydration is one of the most important factors in maintaining kidney health because kidneys rely on sufficient water intake to flush out toxins, metabolic waste, and excess minerals from the bloodstream through urine. When the body becomes dehydrated, urine becomes more concentrated, which increases the chances of mineral crystallization and kidney stone formation. Regular consumption of cucumber can help maintain healthy urine flow and reduce the pressure placed on kidney tissues. Cucumber also contains natural diuretic properties, which means it helps increase urine production naturally without causing harmful side effects like synthetic diuretic medications sometimes can. This natural diuretic effect helps the body eliminate excess sodium and toxins, which is very helpful for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels and supporting overall cardiovascular and kidney health. In addition to its hydration benefits, cucumber is rich in antioxidants that help protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when harmful free radicals build up in the body due to pollution, unhealthy diet habits, smoking, or exposure to environmental toxins. These free radicals can damage kidney tissues over time if not controlled. The antioxidants present in cucumber help neutralize these harmful particles and reduce inflammation inside the body. Chronic inflammation is one of the silent contributors to long-term kidney damage because it can gradually affect kidney filtration efficiency and blood vessel health inside the kidneys. Cucumber also contains important vitamins and minerals such as vitamin K, vitamin C, magnesium, and potassium. Potassium is especially important because it helps maintain proper sodium balance inside the body. When sodium levels become too high due to excessive salt intake, blood pressure can increase, which places additional strain on kidney blood vessels. By helping maintain electrolyte balance, cucumber supports stable blood pressure and reduces kidney stress. Another benefit of cucumber is its low calorie and low sugar content, which makes it an excellent food choice for people who want to maintain healthy body weight. Excess body weight can increase the risk of kidney disease because it often leads to high blood pressure and insulin resistance. The best way to use cucumber for kidney detoxification is to eat fresh slices on an empty stomach in the morning. Add it to salads or prepare cucumber detox water by adding cucumber slices to clean drinking water with a few drops of lemon juice. Consistency is very important when using natural foods for detox purposes because natural healing works gradually rather than instantly. When combined with proper hydration, balanced diet habits, regular exercise, and good sleep patterns, cucumber can play a powerful role in supporting kidney health and overall body detoxification processes.